Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Axis Bank Magnus credit card, one of India's most prestigious credit cards. If you're someone who loves premium perks, airport lounges, luxury travel, and high-end lifestyle benefits, then you're going to want to stick around. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know, from features, pricing, pros and cons to a well-rounded conclusion on whether it's a good pick this year. Let's get started. The Axis Bank Magnus credit card is part of the bank's elite lineup and operates on the Visa Infinite platform. It's designed not just as a regular credit card, but as a lifestyle product. From unlimited airport lounge access to high reward points and concierge services, the Magnus caters to individuals who spend significantly, especially on travel, dining, and luxury retail. While it's not for the casual spender, this card delivers outstanding value for those who travel frequently, dine out regularly, and enjoy leveraging high-end services like concierge bookings, luxury hotel programs, and exclusive access to events. The Magnus also offers lifestyle credibility. Being a metal card, it has that premium look and feel. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. Welcome benefits. You kick things off with a generous welcome gift. Upon paying the 12,500 rupee joining fee, you get a welcome voucher worth the same amount, usually for luxury brands, travel portals like Yatra, or premium hotel stays. The voucher is issued after your first transaction within 30 days of the card issuance, which effectively offsets the fee in the first year. There's also reward points. The Magnus becomes powerful at the reward points part. You earn up to 12 edge reward points for every 200 rupees spent by default. But once you cross the 1.5 lakh in monthly spending, your earnings shoot up to 35 points per 200 rupees, almost triple the default rate. Also, when booking flights or hotels through Axis Bank's Travel Edge platform, you earn more points. Let us talk about airport lounge access. Lounge access is one of the headline features. You get unlimited domestic lounge access, not just for the primary cardholder but also for add-on cardholders. The only condition is that you need to have spent 50,000 rupees in the previous 3 months. Internationally as well, you also get unlimited priority pass access. This includes additional 4 complimentary guest visits per year with priority pass card. That means you and a travel companion can fly in comfort multiple times a year without worrying about additional charges. There's also dining and hotel privileges. If you love dining out, this card has got your back. It offers 30% off at more than 4,000 restaurants across India through Axis Bank's Dining Delights platform. You also get exclusive benefits and room upgrades at select hotels like Trident and Oberoi. There's also health and wellness benefits. There are insurance benefits that come with this card, which means users can stay protected and benefit from the purchase protection, lost card liability programs, and more. It is also interesting to know that there's an annual fee waiver of the 12,500 rupees if you spend up to 25 lakhs in the preceding year. And additional information about the rewards program: you get 5 times reward points on spends via Travel Edge, and you earn 2 partner miles for every 5 Edge reward points across 20 travel partners. There's a lot of rewards using the Axis Bank Magnus credit card. Now, what is the pricing like? As earlier mentioned, the joining and renewal fee is 12,500 rupees plus GST. However, if you spend 25 lakhs or more in a year, the renewal fee is waived. It's important to note that while the card does offer premium rewards, the value is unlocked only if you are hitting high monthly spend thresholds, which is especially above 1 lakh per month. For users that are spending below that level, the returns might not just justify the fee. Now, what are the pros and cons of using the Axis Bank Magnus credit card? First, the pros. There are very high reward rates once you cross the over 1 lakh spend mark. There's unlimited airport lounge access, both domestic and international. There are complimentary milestone vouchers and flexible reward redemptions. attractive dining and travel privileges as well. And the annual fee waiver is also a good one if you spend up to 25 lakhs in a year. How about the cons? The annual fee is high. It might not be justifiable for moderate spenders. Also, there are monthly spending targets that need to be met to unlock enhanced rewards and vouchers. Having considered all this, is Axis Bank Magnus credit card still worth it in 2025? The answer is absolutely, but only if you are the right kind of user. If you regularly spend over 1 lakh per month and travel at least a few times a year, this card gives you exceptional value. Between the travel rewards, unlimited lounge access, milestone vouchers and international redemption flexibility, the Magnus is a powerhouse for the premium lifestyle user. And that's it for the review of the Axis Bank Magnus credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Infinia credit card, Burgundy Private Magnus, and American Express Platinum card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.